Mastering the art of plucking with fingers in English. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase, pluck with fingers. This phrase is not only fascinating but also quite visual. Understanding it will enrich your vocabulary and help you appreciate the nuances of the English language. So, let's get started and explore what it means to pluck something with fingers. Plucking is a motion or action primarily associated with using one's fingers to pull, pick, or remove something. While the term can be applied in various contexts, its core essence lies in the gesture of pulling lightly or snapping something away from its original position. The action of plucking is gentle yet decisive, often requiring a certain finesse. 1. Music. In the realm of music, particularly when playing stringed instruments like the guitar or harp, plucking refers to using one's fingers to pull and release strings to produce sound. This technique contrasts with using a pick or bow, showcasing the versatility of finger movements in creating music. 2. Grooming. Another common use of the phrase is in grooming, where one might pluck unwanted hairs with fingers or tweezers. This action emphasizes precision and control, as it targets specific hairs for removal. 3. Cooking and eating. In cooking or eating contexts, plucking can describe the action of picking herbs with fingers or removing bones from fish. It's a delicate process that often aims to preserve the integrity of the ingredients or the dish. Beyond its literal applications, pluck with fingers can also carry symbolic weight. It might denote taking something delicately or choosing with care, suggesting a level of thoughtfulness and precision in one's actions. This figurative use enriches narrative descriptions and conversations, adding a layer of depth to the language. We hope this exploration of pluck with fingers has been enlightening and adds a new layer of understanding to your English vocabulary. Remember, language is not just about words but also the actions and nuances they convey. Whether you're plucking strings, plucking hairs, or plucking leaves, each action carries a story worth telling. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English skills with us.